Order. Welcome to today's hearings of the Business and Trade Select Committee. Before we commence our hearings this afternoon, I want to share with the House the outcome of the committee's deliberations into a potential inquiry into the role of trade envoys. So, central to the committee's deliberations this afternoon were questions of both the scope and the speed of any potential inquiry. On the question of scope, there is now a police investigation underway into the alleged misconduct in public office by Andrew Mountbatten Windsor. The question for us, therefore, is whether the system of appointment and governance for trade envoys, not the behaviour of any one individual, was fit for purpose, and whether ministers have got lessons to learn and reforms to make. On the question of speed, we are mindful of the two statements that were issued by Thames Police on Thursday the 19th of February, who noted their confirmation that a case is now active and so care should be taken with any publication to avoid being in contempt of court. So, given the gravity of the allegations, the committee is of the view that it is essential that Parliament that makes the law does nothing to undermine the implementation of the law. Nothing must now compromise the full and unimpeded process of British justice and the possibility of a fair trial if and when charges are brought. The committee has therefore resolved that we should now begin gathering information immediately so that we might stand ready to launch an inquiry into the governance regime for trade envoys at the moment the police and criminal justice system action has concluded. We will therefore issue correspondence to ministers straight away to seek the information that we need to make these preparations today, and we will come back to the House with our opinion about whether an inquiry should be launched, depending on the information that we receive. That concludes this statement. Order.